My name is Samira Benini Allaouat. I've just been awarded from STARTS, Repairing the Present, and with the project Geo-Llum. We are working on an installation made out of different materials and where different disciplines will collaborate together. This installation is about creating a light sculpture where the electricity is gathered from the soil. The soil is full of microorganisms, bacteria, etc. And in a specific, we are collaborating with geobacters that are a species, a family of bacteria that are electroactive. We're talking about electricity, so free energy, and as well, in the other side, bioremediation of soils. So about the design, we are working into different possibilities, working with 3D modeling, working with molding. Art is fundamental, I think, because we insert creativity into fields of knowledge, but as well into fields like of everyday life that we are not expecting it. We are creating a web of people towards like innovation. So we are talking about science, we are talking about technology. We have to reinsert this idea of not using new resources, but already using what we have. Thanks to STARS residencies, we are integrating higher knowledge, for example, from universities. I'm collaborating with University of Alcalá, with BOE, Abraham, with experts in biomaterials, for example, with as well like companies for the light, LED technologies, Geo-Llum, and talking about my net in the city, I'm talking about Akasha, the place where I am now. Geo-Llum is going to be installed in Hort del Clot, thanks to the collaboration with Green City Lab. That is a multidisciplinary association as well, that works towards innovation and about regeneration and revegetation of the city. I'm really glad to collaborate with so many people that are really in a good expectation about connections and about creating a future society that is based on collaboration and solidarity, and of course empowering the people around.